Hi everyone, this is Steven Smith with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida, coming to you today with a walkthrough video on one of our brand new pieces of inventory. This is a 2027 Saxdor 400 GTS. We just got this and arrived and did some testing on it here for you guys. We've got a catapult bow windlass in the front. This actually extends the anchor out, makes anchoring nice and easy. You'll see we have the spots for the bow sunshade that's included. The cushions are stowed away right now, but we can turn this into an entire sun pad up here, and you have a high-low table that you can put a cushion on as well. As we make our way back, you'll see that this boat has the entire Flexi-Teak package. The whole entire boat has Flexi-Teak floors and accents on the sides and the swim patio. As we move to the helm, you'll see you have three wide helm chairs here with the captain's seat. They're all adjustable with bolsters that flip up, and the outside two seats can swivel and face backwards. At the helm itself, you have a pair of Simrad displays, as well as a little bit of air conditioning. You have a few vents here to blow onto the captain that are just going to piggyback off of the air conditioning down in the cabin. This boat is equipped with joystick, a bow thruster, and Pro Control trim tab option. This will be an automated trim control. You also have remote for your windlass and a few other things. All your gauges and switches for your lights, your horn, your roof, things like that are all there with your Mercury controls here. And you have tilt steering as well. If you look down in the cabin, we have a lot of cushions and things stored down there right now, but you have a full stand-up head in here with, that's a wet head with shower. You also have a nice forward berth so you could sleep a couple on the boat, and air conditioning that runs off of a lithium battery system. So you guys can run the air conditioning and then get back on shore power and charge that back up. Right behind the helm, you'll have your summer kitchen and your prep area. We've optioned this boat with two refrigerators that pull out here from behind the helm seats. You have a pair of those. And then you have a prep area here, freshwater sink, storage, nice cutting surface here, and then you have trash can and a lot of storage drawers underneath as well. And this all folds away nicely with cup holders all around and ambient lighting that stows away as well. We have on the GTS, the boat's designed to be very open. You have the ability to take these windows here and slide them forward. And if you're in inclement weather, these can slide all the way forward to give you protection from rain for the captain and the people at the helm. And then when you're hanging out or you're just running the boat in its more social setting, you'll flip these back and latch them into place so that you have a very open boat that's entertainable. As you move back, you'll see both of these massive patio doors here. These are the swim patios. They make the boat so much larger when you're out at the sandbar. You drop those down and you have a lot of space for everyone to entertain and hang around. As we make our way back to the middle, this is still underneath of a hardtop, so everyone's still in the shade at this point. We have an electric high-low table here that can drop down, and we'll put a cushion that extends from the sun pad here over top of it, and this whole entire area can be a big sun lounge. When you want to use it for entertaining and food, you just flip the extension of this table, keep it in its high position. Minimum of 6 people can sit around this. It's a great area that's still in the shade. And then if you make your way back, you have the additional sun pad here. This is great for lounging and hanging out. We have also optioned this boat with the optional rear shade as well. So from the front shade to the hardtop to the rear shade, you can have as much or as little shade as you need, which we know is very important in Florida. You've got a couple storage compartments here and the sides. This is great for fenders and dock lines on this side. And then you'll see one of the unique features here is that we option the grill in this one so that you can keep any of that barbecue and things out of being underneath of the hardtop. You've got an electric grill right here with a freshwater sink. And then one more unique feature on this boat is we've got a large storage compartment here. This goes all the way forward underneath of the sun pad. It's extremely deep. This is great for water toys, sea bobs, floating mats, fishing equipment, long range equipment. If you're gonna go to the Bahamas, anything you can think of can store in that compartment, and it closes away nice and easy. I have a nice big rear deck here with boarding ladder, and of course for safety, these doors will close. All of this is powered by Mercury V10s, 425 horsepower each, with joystick control as we saw before. And this boat is available and ready for immediate delivery here at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Again, my name is Steven Smith. Come see us today.